75 basis points. If they raise interest rates 75 basis points, and from there, what happens? No big deal. If the crypto market kind of shrugs that off, I'd say like a week after they've made that announcement, then I will then begin to realize that we are starting to act independently of the regular markets. Now, everything is still going to be tied together, of course, but to me, it should be a shock to the system. It should be a shock to any market. Let's stop for a second and say hello to people. Common Sense, thank you so much. He says, hit the like. Next week could be hard for crypto. Maybe with the interest rate high. So he might be thinking of what I'm thinking. Cody Core, I'm back. Tim Shea, technical difficulties. I'm not sure. Well, now it's reporting that we have 6 people watching on StreamYard. And now it's saying over here we've got 10 people watching. So StreamYard is just not populating the correct number. But yeah, the technical difficulty you might be saying is CoinMarketCap is having some sort of issue. Now it's saying it's updating now. It's populating. We have 11 people. Okay, great. So this is great. So appreciative for you guys. Thank you for being here and hitting the like button. I appreciate you guys. All right, so this is very important. We need to talk about this. We really need to talk about this. This is a big moment for crypto. It's a big moment for the overall crypto market. Like, this is for all the marbles. This is for all the marbles. Oh, it's saying it just started. Really? It just started for you? That's so weird. We've been going, it says on my StreamYard, now we've been going 9 minutes and 44 seconds. Just like a Porsche 944. Do they even make the 944 anymore? I don't think so. All right, so we're doing very well. Now, the question I'm having, and what I'm saying is the overall crypto market is going well. This is going to be the big indicator for me the rest of the year. If they show me an interest rate hike, if they come out, it's 75 basis points or 100 basis points or even maybe 50 basis points. And, the crypto market just kind of shrugs it off. It's like, if the crypto market could speak, we've already planned this in, guys. It's okay. The whales, the institutional investors, the big guys have already planned in. Perhaps they've already planned in this interest rate hike by the old man coming out of the cave. So now if it shrugs it off, it's going to tell me 2 things. They've planned in the hike and it doesn't really matter anymore. Perhaps it does not matter what the equity markets do, what the Federal Reserve does. Maybe we're going to start to depeg, if you will. Are we depegging from the rest of the markets? If the crypto market's here and it's so tied to the rest of the equity markets, is it finally depegging? Is it saying it's going to go on its own? It doesn't need to worry about interest rates anymore. This is why I'm really waiting to see what happens. Now, I'm saying this. I want 7 days. Okay, so we're at the 26th or the 27th. Powell comes out. His feelings are getting hurt. I can't call him the old man anymore. No, I'm just kidding. So the old man comes out of the cave. They shoot him out. He's like the groundhog. He sees a shadow, 75 basis points. All right. 7 days afterwards, what happens? What happens to the crypto market? That's what I'm looking at. The 7 days after the interest rate hike. Are we going through the crash? Is my prediction going to come true? Because, this is where we're at. We're at the first part of my prediction. 23 to 24,000 in the short term, and then a sharp correction or crash from there. Look at this. It's a huge pump. It's not often that Bitcoin pumps 8% in one day. So that's where we're at. All right. So let's say hello to the beautiful people in here. Let's see. Cool Cat Crypto. I think it goes way back down next week. Okay. Then thank you so much. From a selfish standpoint, Larry didn't miss the bottom, perhaps, but I am regretful about one particular crypto. I am regretful that I didn't. Now I do have a decent bag already. I don't want you to think that I'm not in this. Holy cow! All right, so this is what it is. This is the weekly, right? 63%. Let's change this to the month. Last month, look at this. This is what I'm regretting right here. This is where I'm being remorseful. I'm being remorseful that I didn't go and grab Matic when I had the chance. I was looking right in here, around 30, maybe 38 cents, grabbing a bunch of it. I regret not doing that, and that's where I think I screwed up the biggest. I think I did screw up, and I'm here. You're my family, crypto family. I have to admit when I screw up. I can't just pretend to you that I'm not a perfect person. Look, if I was like some big trader or big time investor, and I've been doing fabulous, I'm making tons of money, millions of dollars and billions of dollars, I wouldn't be here talking to you right now. I would be sitting on a yacht somewhere. I wouldn't worry about it. But we're learning together. You got a lot of you guys are advanced. And, there's mistakes that I make. I'm human. And that's the truth. Some of these guys are making a ton of money and they're on YouTube, but most people wouldn't be on YouTube if they were a million and billionaires in crypto. They just wouldn't be. So this is where I screwed up. I'm really regretful of that. I can't emphasize it enough. And I know Max says, don't worry about it being too hard on myself, but look at this. I mean, look at Bitcoin up right now, 9%. Are we going to hit 24,000 during the stream? I mean, this is just nuts. This is nuts. I swear to you. Now I'm going to have to gloat. If I'm right, I mean, let me just say, look out. You'll never hear, I mean, the outside world, they'll never hear the end of it. I will go and troll everybody on Twitter and say, see, I told you so. 23 to 24,000. We're not going to 30. That's the question. Here's the question for the audience. In the short term, or not even the short term, in the next couple weeks, 3-4 weeks, whatever it takes, are we going to 30,000 first? Are we going to touch 30,000 first with Bitcoin, or are we going to touch 19? Because I'll tell you something. I'm still predicting the 12,000. I got to ride and die with that. But I'll tell you what, once Bitcoin goes below 20,000 again, that's when I dollar cost. Holy cow, look at this. Look at this green candle right here. We're on the minute chart. All right. I'm telling you right now, I've adjusted my strategy. I can no longer handle, I'm starting to feel like I need to FOMO. My FOMO is going to begin. My dollar cost averaging is going to begin now. Once, not now, but once Bitcoin goes below 20,000, hits like around 19, I will then start to dollar cost average into this right here. These top 100s and maybe a couple small micro caps that I'm looking at. But for the most part, my money is going into these things right here, especially XRP, XDC, XLM. Matic, hopefully, it pulls back. We'll have to wait and see. All right. So Tim Shea says, wow, question mark. Yeah, I don't know what happened. If you guys, because I started probably like a minute late, maybe 3:01, something like that. Benny Hill. Oh, the Benny Hill show, 7714 volt. He's been vaulted. He's trying to vault this channel, this network. Thank you so much. Benny Hill, I have not seen you here before. Is Benny Hill still alive? Thank you so much. Wasn't there like something called the Benny Hill show? It was a comedy. Benny Hill, 7714. I like those numbers. They're lucky numbers. 7714. Please consider changing your avatar to something else other than the B so I can really, really remember you and treat you as a special member of our audience as you are in community. Stardog is back. Just started for me too. Really? That's nuts. You know what? I think it was this problem on StreamYard because StreamYard, I'll have to go back and watch the record. Guys, I probably, when Tim Shea said that, I might have been talking for 7 or 8 minutes on my own. And then for some reason, StreamYard didn't connect to YouTube. That's the only thing I can think of. Right now, I'm checking on YouTube. We have 22 beautiful people watching right now. I'm going to lower the volume on this. 12 likes. So if you could hit the like button, if you haven't already done so, that'd be great. All right. So now this is the question for the audience. Is Bitcoin, look, I'll bring Bitcoin back up because I said it myself. Look, okay. Look at what's doing. It's going nuts. You're in the middle of watching history right now, perhaps. I mean, we're almost up 10% in one day. Okay. This is what I think is going on. This is what I think is going on. I think that this is a trap. I think that it's going to pump like crazy. And then when the Fed comes out, that's when it's going to take a nosedive. But I could be wrong. That's just my feeling. Now, I want to know from you, the beautiful audience that's here, the intelligent, the highly intelligent audience is here that actually teaches me things. And that's true. Are we going to hit 30,000 first? Is Bitcoin going to hit 30,000 before it hits 19,000? That's the question. All right. Cool Cat Crypto. This is a bull trap. See, that's what I just saw Cool Cat saying that. I agree with Cool Cat, but I could be wrong. Look, I have to just say I could be totally wrong. And I hope you guys are making a ton of money. I think a lot of you are. Uncle Bam Bam, thank you so much. Kubota, the best compact tractor in the world. Boomer F and Sooner, good afternoon, everyone. Just started for me also. What is going on? That's crazy. I'm going to have to go back and look at this. I'm going to look at this on the record and see when it actually started on YouTube because, I was going for 7 or 8 minutes and I'm like, what's going on? It says 0 views. So I think what was happening is StreamYard had a technical issue and it wasn't communicating properly with YouTube. That's the only thing I can think of because I started like 1 minute late, like 3:01. Tim Shea got my XDC today. Oh, cool. Good for you. I didn't buy any yet still. Do you guys ever notice this? This is my second cup of coffee. A second cup of coffee to me always tastes better than the first cup. I had my first cup of coffee early in the morning, and I think the problem is that, oh, I've got like, wow, I've got a lot of lint on my shirt. I think that's the problem when you wear black. See the hat, everything collects lint and dust. I think the second cup or the first cup of coffee doesn't taste as good because you're just barely awake. And then the second cup of coffee is better because you've already been awake all day and you've had more time to enjoy life. So now it's like, oh, this tastes better. All right, Tim Shea. Hey, Boomer. Cool Cat Crypto. Tim, awesome. Boomer Effing Sooner. Hey, Tim Shea. Look, guys, you're witnessing maybe a little bit of Bitcoin history. It's pulled back a little bit. All right, so it's pulled back. Look, it's almost today in the last 24 hours hit that 24,000 level. It's at 23,700 at one point, just a little while ago. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. There's a tremendous amount of trading going on right now. A lot of pressure, both sides of the coin, so to speak. Tim Shea got the top three now: XRP, XDC, and XLM. Yep, that's pretty much now. Okay. I have to be smart. Manic is way up there for me. But, now it's pumped so much, 164%. I have to wait. I've got to wait for it to fall. It's not my strategy. I screwed up. I should have bought it when it's really distressed. My strategy is buying things when they're down and distressed. Good assets is what I'm saying. Good cryptos in this case, not for closed homes. In this case, a good crypto. Now, XLM, XDC, and XRP are, they're like in my top 5, I'd have to say. But this is all my favorites. Luna Classic is just kind of treading water at the moment. It's had a great month, up 90%. So there you are. Cool Cat Crypto. Next week, when it all goes down, I'm loading up more on XRP, XLM, XDC, and BSV. Yeah, he loves that BSV. That could be it. That could be the time that I jump in. That could be the time that I finally dollar cost average in. I'm trying to stir up a little more cash. I don't know necessarily if I want to borrow against my house. I don't know. I might sell my classic truck. I don't know. Like, I'm just divided. I could probably stir up some cash in some other ways. I'm looking at doing those things too. All right. So, because remember, I can't liquidate my positions in crypto. I have good cryptos. I got rid of a lot of the crap, took some losses on some stuff, but on paper, I'm down a lot with a lot of things. But they're good things. So I don't want to liquidate. I don't want to liquidate and then buy back in. I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to just put more cash into it. That's what I'm trying to do. All right. So Cody Core. I'm back. Okay. Tim Shea. Oh, yeah. I got a little BSV too. Okay, cool. I'll add more too. All right. Cool Cat Crypto. Sweet. BSV is the future of Bitcoin. The Jin. Shady, sad, and corrupted. The SEC is bad. Yep. I was watching the live stream with XRP and the SEC. Oh, cool. Yeah, the SEC, boy. It's just nuts. All right. So here's somebody new. Here we go. Julio, welcome. I got to blow this up. A shout out and welcome to Julius Anguito. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Or maybe it's Julius. Julius Anguito. Shout out from the Philippines. We're big in the Philippines. We have one of the largest audiences for any crypto live show, unconfirmed, of course. But in my opinion, I think we're big. We're big in the Philippines. And we love you guys so much. Thank you for being here from the Philippines. We have several people that watch from the Philippines. Common Sense. Next week, it will be 19. Also, please, Julius or Julius, I think it's Julius. Please consider changing your avatar to something that speaks of who you are as a person so I can get to know you and the rest of the community can get to know more about you. So Common Sense is saying next week it'll be at 19. Okay, someone agrees with me. So I didn't miss the boat. I need things to pull back more so I can get in. I just need to go back in. Well, I need to go in with new cash is what I'm saying. I need to make new investments, add to my current bags. All right. So that's what I want to do. It's the crypto. I want it to be the crypto opportunity for me personally of a crypto lifetime. Too much. He's too much. Hello, everyone. I heard someone say today that we are in the VHS times for crypto. That is a true statement. All right. Well, we'll see. Cool Cat Crypto. Don't FOMO. Yes, I have to not FOMO. That's the thing. Well, I don't know if I should wait for Bitcoin to get to 12. What happens if I'm wrong and it doesn't go that far down? Still sticking with the prediction, but now I'm thinking maybe I need to just be conservative and dollar cost average in when Bitcoin hits 19. I could be wrong, though. All right. So, Tim Shea, good thing you got that Voyager. Yes, I did get Voyager. And where is Voyager? It's 40. Is it like 50 something? I don't even know. Look, I don't look at charts all day. I know maybe I should. I would do better, right? All right. So, oh, wow. A Voyager. Oh, well, I'm still up. I bought in at 38 cents. Today it's down. All right. So there was a big pump earlier, right? All right. So yeah, it's down, but that's okay. Hey, I'm up 11 cents a coin. I mean, token. I don't feel bad at all. I got in at a good price, 38 cents. All right, good. So I did good with this one. Cody Core, wait until after the 26th. Yeah, that's what I keep thinking. Well, definitely, yeah, I'm going to wait. I don't think Bitcoin is going to hit 19,000 before the 26th, but I could be wrong. All right. Cool Cat Crypto. I freaking loved Minnie Hill. Yeah, he was so funny. I don't think he's still alive, though. MTG or Mortgage Portal. MTG Portal. Thank you. He says, Volt it. Volt yourself with Volt. Thank you for that. And there you go. There's a plug for Volt Inu. Cool Cat Crypto. Get a Benny Hill avatar. Yeah, he should. That would be funny. I'll probably laugh every time I saw his avatar. It would remind me of Benny Hill. Nate Nay. Hey, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Laugh my ass off to Benny Hill. Yes, Benny Hill. You know what? We've got to look it up. Is Benny Hill still alive? I don't think so. Is Benny... I know that Google probably thinks I'm nuts with all the questions I ask. Oh, there it is. It listened to me. Benny Hill, is he still alive? He's an English comedian. All right, here we go. Okay. Okay, he passed away in, oh, wow, he was born all the way back in 1924. What? All right, he passed away in 1992. All right, so there you go. That shows you how much in touch I am with, I don't know, it's not pop culture, TV, I guess. I'm not in touch. Look, I haven't had cable, guys, since 2007. I hardly watch any TV. The only thing I watch is the MLB Network. And I surely as heck, I'm not going to watch the old man. And if I watch the old man come out of the cave and tell me about interest rates, as soon as he says 75 basis points, whatever the heck he's saying, I'm taking this controller. It's for the lighting. But if it was a TV controller, I would just go, boom, okay, you're done. I've heard the information I wanted, and now I'm moving on. It's just too damn boring. All right, I can't watch a stream all day of him. Cool Cat Crypto. Benny Hill passed away years ago, dude. Yeah, I didn't even realize it. You know, I forgot how old he was when I was watching him. But yeah, he was hilarious. He was very funny. Very, very funny guy. Yeah, I liked him. Star Dog, it's not pumping properly. It's teasing us. Think that's what's going on? It might be going on. I don't know if this is some kind of a trap. Or people are making money in the short term because they know it's going to crash. Maybe after the 26th. Look, this is what I'm saying. There's smart people that are in Wall Street. They understand what's going on. Look, everything is up. Why is everything up? Why are people, this doesn't make sense to me. How is it that everything is doom and gloom? The day or two before, we're worried about interest rates. And then the next couple of days, I mean, when it was down yesterday, I had a big pump yesterday, the market, the equity markets, and then they went down. But how is this happening? Is it already been factored in? Did the hedge fund guys know? Okay, it's okay. We know the old man's coming out. 75 basis points. We're not going to sweat it. We've already factored it in. I don't know. This might be just, they're going to make money now and ahead of the crash. Let's see. MTG Portal and 19 Bitcoin is definitely possible. July 28th, as we get the GDP numbers. Yep, we are going to see a second retraction leading to a confirmation of recession. Okay. So, all right. So I don't feel bad. Everyone is telling me to calm down. I have not missed the bull run. Maybe, here we go again with Bitcoin. 9%. All right. Look at that. Almost 9%. 23,623. Okay. So my first part. Okay. So my prediction might come true. Holy cow. You guys will never hear the end of it. No, I will troll people on Twitter and tell them I was right. I said 24,000 short term, followed by a sharp correction or crash. I don't know how deep the crash will be. So I'm going to hedge my bet and saying sharp correction or crash. Let's see what happens. Because there's big influencers and big people saying that once we get over 24,000, we're going to keep going to 30,000. So we'll see. That's why I'm asking you. I'm not going to mention their names. I like these guys, but I'm asking you, are we going to hit 30 or 19 first? That was the question. All right, Tim Shea, and I didn't even get all to the news. The only other thing is the midterms are coming up. Yep. You need to figure that in too. Yep. You're right. Cool Cat Crypto, MTG, I agree. Cool Cat Crypto, I'm on my fourth cup of coffee. I'm a coffee junkie. Excuse me, too. I drink a lot of coffee. MTG Portal. That's why I get so hyper. If I don't have a cup of coffee, I'm a little flat. I try to make a point to drink a cup of coffee right before the show or during the show. So my brain fires. I'm more alert, more enthusiastic, more exciting, maybe a bit more entertaining. April Cornwell says, hey. Thank you so much for being here and your support. Too much is saying hello to Tim Shea. April Cornwell just stopping by to show those good vibes. I hope everyone is having the best day. Thank you for that. Tim Shea, hey, too much. Cool Cat Crypto, hi, April. Hey, there he goes. He's come back. I haven't seen you in a long time. Welcome back to Legal Alien. What's going on, Larry? Thank you so much for being here, Legal Alien. Reza, I haven't seen you here before. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate you, Reza, more than you even know. And you already have an avatar. I can't see who it is very closely. I'm guessing that's you, but it's just my eyes are not so good. The avatar is so tiny on my screen here on StreamYard. By the way, let me just check the phone. I got to type in my passcode. Okay, we've got 30 people watching and 12 likes. If you guys could hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. Hi. If Bitcoin is the mother of crypto, XRP is the father. Okay, so XRP is the father of crypto, is what he's saying. And then Bitcoin is the grandma. I guess that's what he's alluding to. You could be right. We will see. XRP is on my short list. You know, I don't even know. I'm thinking, you know, there might be a better return with XDC. XRP is 1 or 2 for me. These might be my top 3. XRP, XLM, XDC. Maybe. Bitcoin if it goes down to 12K because I want a really good deal. Matic is there, but I screwed up. I screwed up with Matic. I should have grabbed it. Look, it's pumped tremendously, 164%, and it just upsets me that I missed the boat. I do have a good bag of Matic already. I just wanted to get more. All right. Hey, Legal, pump it up. Yep, you got to pump it up. That's what Legal Alien says. He loves the song. April Cornwell, cool cat. Hola. Hola, hello in Spanish. Legal Alien, yo, what up, Tim? Long time no see, haha. Eddie T says, what's up? Thank you so much, Eddie T, for coming back. Tim Shea is laughing. Legal, too much. Everybody loves Legal Alien, too much. Legal. What's going on with Legal Alien anyway? Let me see I haven't seen. Let's see what's going on with his YouTube. We haven't. All right, so Legal Alien. I'm a subscriber, and here we go. And here we go. Oh, look at that. I think that he took a break, and now he's back. Maybe he was on vacation. All right, so he's been streaming again. So, guys, if you wanted to follow a good guy, cares about his community and entertaining, funny guy too, Legal Alien, go ahead and support him on YouTube and Twitter. You know what? I don't even know. I think I follow him on Twitter. Let me see. Let me get this off the screen. I don't want to be. All right, so Legal. I don't want to be remiss. Let's see. Make sure that we get him up here so you guys can see him on Twitter. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we follow each other. Okay. Oh, wow. He's crushing it on Twitter. He's got over 4,500 followers. He's doing very well. All right. So cool. So there he is here. Legal Alien at 4L Tony. That's his first name, right? Also known, I think he's also known as Tony Tiger. At 4L Tony. Go ahead and follow Legal Alien. And there you go. Thank you for the support. Eddie T, smash the like. Thank you. Eddie T, too much. Legal Alien, too much. They love too much. Balmus, I haven't seen you in a couple days. Balmus tells it all. Hey, Larry and Patches, check out SafeMoon. Is SafeMoon moving? Is it doing something? Let's see. Now, you know, I can go over. I can push this button right here, and I can go over and check out SafeMoon. I haven't looked at SafeMoon in a long time, but since you mentioned it, is this it? SafeMoon V2? Oh, it's having a little. It's following the market. It's up 6% today. I think this is the right one. Yeah, this is it. Okay, there's the market cap. 270, 100, thousands, millions, right? 270 million. All right, but it's not confirmed, right? Yeah. Okay, that's okay. All right, so there you go. We checked it out for you, just for you. Balmus tells it all because you're special to me and everyone here. Legrand Commission. There is resistance at 23 to 24,000. Be careful. Yeah. Well. Some are saying, he's talking about Bitcoin, of course. Some are saying that once we get past 24,000, we're going to keep going to 30. We're going to go, 28, 30, no problem. we're just going to keep zooming right up. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that I think 19,000 is going to be hit before 30,000. I could be, I'm going against a lot of, look, I'm going against big time people. Raul Paul is saying that the bottom is in. He's a lot more knowledgeable than me. He can read charts, run circles around me. He's got, billions of dollars. I don't know. I mean, he might be right and I could be wrong. I would certainly say he's got a ton more experience than I do with this type of stuff. So we'll see what happens. Top Cat, London's burning. Thank you for being here, Top Cat. Yeah, there's a lot of crazy stuff going on overseas in Europe. Eddie T, too much. How are you doing? Top Cat, fastest milkman in the West. Stardog, if the Bulls were in charge, Shib would have gone to the moon already. Think so? Let's see. Shib is having a decent day and having a good week and month. It's having a good year overall compared to a bunch of stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 4. Volume is good, 797 million. So it's still ranked number 16. So it's doing good. I guess it would need a little more time to really have a big parabolic run. But yes, okay. So, there was this big, huge pump right here. Really, really big, huge pump for Bitcoin. And now we're seeing it pull back a bit. This is the 1-minute chart in case you guys are keeping score at home. Tim Shea, people have been waiting for positivity. They see the market pump and join in. Yep. As long as we didn't get the one increase, I don't think the correction will be that bad. Okay. So he's saying that, all right, so this is insightful. Tim Shea is saying something insightful. He's saying as long as we don't get 100 basis points increase, he doesn't see the correction being that bad. He could be right. So let's see if they throw us a curveball and they go and give us the 100 basis points instead of 75. We'll have to see. But, coming off of already raising it 75 basis points in June, I would have thought another 75 basis points would shock the whole system. But I could be wrong. These are unprecedented times. It's just a strange time. It could be that, like I've been saying, the crypto market is deviating from the normal traditional markets. And that would be great if it did. Yeah, we're on fire here in the UK. Okay, so Stardog is over in the UK. I hope you guys are well. Tim Shea, heard it's over 100 degrees. Yeah, it's hot there. And there's an energy crisis going on in Europe. So I heard it was 107 there, maybe 105. It's crazy stuff. Let's see. Let me see what it is now. I'll have to look at the temperature on my phone. Let's see. It now is not too hot, 89 degrees. And Saturday, let's see. Tomorrow, 93, 93, 94, 97 for Saturday, 98 for Sunday. We're going through a bit of a heat wave here. Not as bad as you guys now. Top Cat. There's wildfires going on. There's wildfires going on in the UK. I did not know that. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope that you guys are safe. Too much. Tim Shea, agree. Blue Whale Ricky, everything is pumping except for Classic. I'm hearing the whales are keeping us in this area until Binance implements a burn. But not sure. That could be what's going on. And I think that Classic, we're talking about Luna Classic, not Ethereum Classic. Well, Ethereum Classic is doing well, but Luna Classic, I think, will have its run. Once those burns are confirmed, that 1.2% tax burn, whatever you want to call it. Once that happens, the burns, the transaction fees, the burns, then I think that this thing will really take off. Luna Classic, that is. We'll have to wait and see. Cool Cat Crypto. Larry, can't go wrong with the big three. XRP, XLM, XDC. Yeah, I'm looking at that. You've really, you and Mike Cornwell have made me look deeper into those three. I've had, bags of XLM in the past, sold off, made money last year. I've never had a bag of XRP and never had a bag of XDC, but I'm looking to get into them big time. Cool Cat Crypto, that triple X. Yep, that's the triple X. Cool Cat Crypto, this is whales. They're going to dump on everyone. That's what I keep thinking. That's what I keep thinking. I could be wrong. I keep thinking it. I'm telling you that, sometimes you don't need, I don't know the motives of some of these influencers. If they're telling us that it's going to go past, once it hits 24, Bitcoin's going to just run to 30,000, no problem. I don't know if that's because they're in long positions and they're trying to make a ton of money, because some of them flat out are telling you they're in long positions and they're doing well. They're up hundreds of thousands of dollars. And so I don't know if they have a, what's the word? If they're having an ulterior motive is what I'm saying for what they're beating the drum, saying that Bitcoin is going to go to 30,000, no problem. I'm saying that it's going to hit 19,000 before 30. But again, I am not a billionaire. Billionaires are saying this. Top Cat, Milkman was a Benny Hill song. Oh, okay. I don't remember that. All right. The proclaimed prince of crypto, Inu. It's awesome. Everything up, but sad. On my Voyager app, I can't touch my crypto. It's like is mocking, laughing at me. Sorry to hear that. Yeah. I'm sorry to hear that about Voyager. Cool Cat Crypto, 104 here in Texas yesterday. Top Cat, too damn hot. I ain't used to it. Yeah, it's too hot there. Too hot. Oh, Cool Cat Crypto's in Texas also? Okay, there's a lot of people from Texas and Oklahoma here. Top Cat, too damn hot. Ain't used to it. All right. Pat Murphy, bear market over. Finally, praise God. No 10K Bitcoin. All right, well, there's some big people also that are in my camp. I have called for a 12K Bitcoin, and yesterday I saw Richard Hart. I know he might have been saying it before. I'm sure he said it before that, but I just happened to notice that Richard Hart is calling for Bitcoin to hit 11K at some point for the year. So that gives me peace of mind that somebody big like that, another billionaire, is agreeing with me. He's saying 11. I'm saying 12. I would say that he's again, a lot more advanced in his crypto knowledge than I am, and a lot more wealthy than I am. So I will yield to his opinions about the market, and grateful that he is in agreement with me. So we'll see, but I could be wrong and he could be wrong. Let's see. No one really knows. Legrand Commission, Luna Classic short term, 2 zeros and a 1, long term 10 cents. That would be incredible. It would be great. Best place to buy XDC. That's a good question. I haven't really looked into it. I'll be doing it not through an exchange. I'm not buying in through an exchange right now. But you can ask Cool Cat Crypto and he will tell you. You know what? Let me just do this for you. Let's just do this for you. Let me just show you the markets on it. All right. I can do it. We don't have to ask Cool Cat Crypto. I'm sure he would tell us, but we can also show you right here. XDC network, right? And all we have to do on CoinMarketCap is just simply click on the word markets. And then here you go. So look, there's some exchanges you can buy it on. Gate.io, KuCoin, Bittrex. There's a bunch of places you can Bitrue, CoinX, Coin.io. There you go, Hotbit. So there's all the places you can get it. So there you go. You can check it out. Cool Cat Crypto, KuCoin, Bitrue has XDC. Yep. Oh, you just said it. Top Cat, I can't find XDC either. Tim Shea, Legrand Commission. I like the way you think. Legrand Commission, Cody Core, uphold. Cool Cat Crypto. I buy XLM on Coinbase Advanced and send it to KuCoin and trade. Top Cat. I need to mirror my Coinbase wallet to MetaMask. Tim Shea, I get XDC on KuCoin too. Top Cat, is KuCoin available in the UK? That I'm not sure of. I think it is. I mean, could be wrong. Tim Shea, you can get XRP, XLM, and XDC all at KuCoin. Black Ranger Airsoft, welcome back. Don't worry, I'm here. Thank you. Too much. Larry, what he meant to say is Bitcoin will go to all-time highs and then drop to 11K. Oh, okay. So Richard Hart is saying that Bitcoin is going to go to an all-time high. Is that really what he's saying? 11,000? I don't know. So he might be saying next year, because I don't see Bitcoin going to an all-time high this year. But I could be wrong. I'm not sure. I'll have to go and get clarification as to what Richard Hart was saying, because I just literally just saw it in a couple minutes. I didn't have a chance to watch it all. I use KuCoin. Stardog says, yes, I use KuCoin in the UK. Okay, so that exchange is available. All right, so that's it. Bitcoin starting to move again, making its move up 9% right now in the last 24 hours. It's having its pump again. So there's a lot of pressure, a lot of buy pressure. Coochie Boy, welcome back. I expect the Bitcoin miners to sell during this bear market rally, and then we will see how low. So The Mt. Gox thing is still in play, but it looks like it's going to be hard for people to, there's a long process to be able to claim and put their claim in and, get their Bitcoin. And I don't think, it's still going to have an impact if people can get it and sell, but that's another thing to keep in play. Keep in mind with pressure, sell pressure for Bitcoin at some point. Top Cat. Okay, I'll download it now. Thanks. Cody Core. I get XRP on PancakeSwap. Can I get XRC there as well? All right, so we'll have to ask because I haven't bought those yet. But let's just see what else I can talk about real quick here. We talked about Ethereum pumping, crypto panic, had a bunch of stuff. The UN. Okay, so here's something I wanted to read to you from the UN to see if I could find it. Let's see. This is what the UN is suggesting. To minimize risk in emerging economies, the report had several recommendations. Mandatory registration, this is bad, of crypto wallets and exchanges. 2, the imposition of cost-prohibitive fees and taxes on crypto trades and transactions. 3, they want to prohibit the prohibition of stablecoin sales by banks and traditional financial institutions. Oh, they want to prohibit stablecoin sales by banks and traditional financial institutions. Okay. It has also exhorted countries to ban crypto-related ads on social media and in public areas like buses, as the United Kingdom has moved to. Can someone please explain to me why we need them to do stuff like that? Why does the UN want, and the United, I can't even read this stuff. It's so disgusting. Why do they want to ban crypto-related ads on social media and in public areas like buses? What's the harm? And the United Kingdom has moved to. All right. There was, what team was it? I can't remember. There was a baseball team, and I can't remember which one it was. Oh, it might have been Tampa Bay. I was catching a highlight Tampa Bay, and in the outfield, they had just an ad. It was just all it was an ad for Terra. It just said Terra Luna on it with the picture of their logo. It was interesting. That's the first time I've paid attention and saw a crypto ad in the outfield of a baseball stadium. I don't understand why the UN has to impose this stuff. The UN report tells low-income countries to ban crypto ads and register all crypto wallets. Why do we need this level of control? Why do we need Big Brother around the world to tell us that we can't even have an ad to look at? Do you realize what's going on, the level of control? And oh my God, when the digital dollar comes out, a centralized digital dollar for these countries, like here in the US and around the world, they're going to be able to track everything. Suppose that they look at you and they say to you, you've already spent a lot of money on going on vacation. So now you can't take that vacation to Hawaii because, you've already done that. So you've spent too much of your money on vacationing. So we're going to shut you down for that. You can use it to buy groceries or whatever. But, it gives them a level of control. Do you guys really want the UN or any country? You want the United Nations to tell you that you can't look at a particular ad? Are you kidding me? Are they going to start saying that we can't look at ads for shoes, sneakers, cars? Where is it going to stop? When are we going to stop and take control of our lives and not listen to this crap? This is pure crap. It just makes me mad to even look at it. It makes me so mad. It makes me so mad that they would actually think that they need to censor what we can look at. They actually think that we need to ban crypto ads and register all crypto wallets. The use of cryptocurrency may lead to financial instability risk. This is just hogwash. It's just stupid talk. Stupid stuff. It's just crazy stuff. I just had to show you that stuff. It just makes me mad. There's no explanation for it. So back to the comments. Cody Core XDC, sorry. Legrand Commission, don't FOMO. Remember, on every bull run, big players missed at first. So they play some moves and drop the prices again for them to enter the position. Just stay aware. Yep. People make millions of dollars during the bear market. I'm just hoping that I can get closer to the bottom. Cool Cat Crypto, Cody, you should be able to get XDC on PancakeSwap. So that'd be great. That's where I'll get mine then. Cody Core, I try as soon as I get more money on account. All right. Top Cat, you ain't wrong. He's probably talking about the UN. All right, guys, that's it. We've had a great show. Appreciate you guys. This was a fast show. Well, we went 48 minutes. That's pretty good. Thank you so much. Please join us tonight for the big show, your show, the Max and Larry Show, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's so much we have to talk about. We were supposed to talk about a lot yesterday. We couldn't get it into a 2-hour show. So there'll be a lot to talk about again tonight. Thank you, guys. Stay safe. Hope all is well. Be careful out there in the UK. And we will see you tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern.